Shrimp. They're popular for a reason. They're delicious. You can cook shrimp in so many ways. Grilled, sautéed, baked, fried. The options are endless. Shrimp are also very versatile. Serve them as an appetizer. Add them to pasta. Make a shrimp salad. They always impress. Shrimp are quick and easy to cook. Perfect for a weeknight meal. They cook in just minutes. Let's explore some fantastic shrimp recipes. Get ready for a culinary adventure. Shrimp are good for you too. They are low in calories and a good source of protein. Shrimp are also rich in important nutrients, like selenium and vitamin B12. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant. Vitamin B12 is essential for energy production. Shrimp are naturally low in fat and contain omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are beneficial for heart health, so enjoy shrimp as part of a healthy diet. Now, let's get cooking. Grilled shrimp are a summer classic. Juicy, smoky, and delicious. Perfect for any outdoor gathering or family barbecue. Here's what you need. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. These simple ingredients make a flavorful marinade. First, preheat your grill to medium heat. This ensures even cooking. Then, in a bowl, whisk together the olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. This will be your marinade. Add the shrimp and toss to coat. Make sure each shrimp is well covered. Thread the shrimp onto skewers. This makes grilling easier and more fun. Grill for 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook. Serve immediately with lemon wedges for an extra burst of flavor. Enjoy your delicious grilled shrimp. Section 4. Garlic butter shrimp, rich and flavorful. Garlic butter shrimp are rich, indulgent, and absolutely mouth-watering. This recipe is so simple, yet it delivers a gourmet experience. You'll need 1 pound shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1/4 cup butter, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, which adds a burst of color and freshness, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Melt the butter in a large skillet over medium heat, allowing it to bubble and turn golden. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant, releasing its aromatic oils. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque, ensuring they are perfectly done. Stir in the parsley and season with salt and pepper to taste, enhancing the flavors. Serve immediately over rice or pasta. This dish is not only delicious but also versatile. Section 5. Shrimp scampi, a classic Italian dish. Shrimp scampi is a classic Italian dish, bursting with flavor and loved by many. Here's what you need. 1 pound large shrimp, peeled and deveined, 1/4 cup olive oil, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 1/4 cup dry white wine, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, freshly squeezed for that zesty kick, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, finely chopped to add a burst of color and freshness, and of course salt and pepper to taste to bring all the flavors together. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot but not smoking. Add the garlic and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. The aroma will fill your kitchen. Add the shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink and opaque. Be careful not to overcook. Pour in the white wine and lemon juice and bring to a simmer. This will create a delicious sauce. Stir in the parsley and season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve immediately over pasta. A true Italian delight that will impress your guests.